morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hello, my name is Mandy, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything that I eat in a day. A lot of you guys have been asking in my 20,000 step challenge video what kinds of foods I was eating, if I was following a particular diet, all that kind of good stuff, and I will be sharing that with you today. And if you guys haven't seen that video, I will definitely link it down in the description box below. But yeah, I thought it'd be a really great idea to kind of take you guys through my day, show you what I eat for my meals. Right now I'm just finishing getting ready, but I'm having my cup of green tea as you guys saw earlier, and I'm going to go for my morning walk and maybe pick up an iced coffee along the way. But yes, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, I'm actually going to head back home now. It's currently 1 p.m. Got my iced coffee. It's just a regular iced coffee with a little bit of sugar-free vanilla syrup and a splash of cream. I finished running my errands for the day, and then I'm going to have my first meal. Hey you guys, I just got home from my walk. I did get rained on a little bit. I am going to be making an acai smoothie bowl. It's super easy and it's super yummy. I like to top it with a bunch of things like granola, coconut flakes, chia seeds, and hemp hearts and all that stuff. It's really, really good for you, and it's really fast and easy. I'm going to be using mangoes and also some mixed berries as a base. And then I have my acai pack thawing out a little bit. You just get this frozen and you can just add it into your blender. I'll also be adding in some collagen in there, and then also I'm going to be adding in some vegan protein powder just to get some extra protein in my diet. And yeah, I will show you guys when I'm all finished. And this is the finished smoothie bowl. I just have the vanilla chia granola off to the side here. I have my chia seeds, my coconut flakes, some ground flaxseed, and some hemp hearts. I'm going to go enjoy this now. I will catch you guys at the next meal. Okay, you guys, so it is currently 3:17 p.m. and I'm just editing one of my videos right now for the channel, just sipping on some peppermint tea, and I'm also having this ginger kombucha. I absolutely love kombucha. It's so good. I know a lot of people are like, it kind of tastes like vinegar, but honestly, the ginger one, you don't taste like the vinegary-ness at all. It's just really refreshing, and it's super good for you. Kombucha is really great for digestion, and this one's really good if you have like an upset stomach or something like that. But yeah, it's 3 o'clock right now, and I'll probably edit for a couple of hours and then have dinner at around 5. But if I decide to just have a snack or something, I will definitely show you guys. everything got a little bit crispy and warmed up. And then what I like to do is I just add a little bit of cheddar to this and let it like melt over the top. And I'm just gonna let that sit. In the meantime, I'm going to be assembling the salad. And that is the finished meal. This literally took 2 seconds. It was so easy. I'm just going to be topping it off with a little bit of nutritional yeast as well. It's just really high in vitamin B12, especially if you're not going to be having actual meat. You should be supplementing with a little bit of nutritional yeast. So yeah, I'm going to have this, and then if I decide to have anything later, I will definitely show you guys. So it is currently 7:30 p.m. and I'm about to have my last meal. I always have something sweet before I start to wind down for the night. So I'm gonna be having this Premier protein shake. This is in the flavor strawberries and cream. I really like it because it's really high in protein and it keeps you full for the rest of the night, so you're not like snacking or anything. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, please comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.